Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reprogram Hisense TV with Brightstar remote control. Okay, this is the code right here. First, you gotta press setup button. When you see the light, hit 112, 1, 1, 2. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's on now. As you can see, let's turn it off. Off, on. All right, there you go. As you can see right here, 112. That's the code. Set it up. You see the light. When you see the light, let it go. And 1, 1, 2. Hisense and Brightstar remote control. Thanks for watching. See you next time.